Good morning, students. Now we discuss next topic is Laplace transformation of the derivatives. We have to derive the problems regarding to the Laplace transformation of derivatives. First, we have to define the formulas for first derivative, second derivative. Likewise, we have to define for the nth derivative. For this, we have to use the formulas regarding for Laplace transformation of Laplace transform of derivatives. Okay, find first one, Laplace transformation of first derivative. How can we find the Laplace transformation of f dash of t? Okay, now consider Laplace transformation of f dash of t can be written as Laplace transformation of f of t can be written as integral 0 to infinity e to the power of minus st. Internally what we have in the place of f of t, what is there? F dash of t dt. Okay, this is in the form of, this is the function with having that with respect to t we are derivating. It is also, this function is also having t, so we have to use the formula u into v. Okay, what is u e to the power of minus st? What is v? Integration of internally. Integral u into v dv. What we have to do? U into integral dv minus derivative u dash derivative as well as integration of v e. Okay, first we have, second term we have to find out the integration. Likewise here second term we have to find integration of 0 to infinity f dash of t dt minus integral 0 to infinity, we have to find the first term derivative. Derivative of e to the power of minus st is e to the power of minus st. What is the coefficient of t? Is minus s, so we can write as minus s. Now second term we have to find integration. Integral 0 to infinity f dash of t dt. Okay, e to the power of minus st. Now integration derivative, two terms get cancelled, integration and derivative are get cancelled. Next remaining term is f of t. Limits are 0 to infinity, minus minus of minus plus, s is the constant term. Integral 0 to infinity e to the power of minus st. Same, integration and derivative are get cancelled. What is the remaining term? F of t dt. What is the formula for e to the integral 0 to infinity e to the power of minus st f of t can be written as Laplace transformation of f of t. Now here we substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Anything to the power of infinity the value becomes 0 minus minus lower limit e to the power of 0 f of 0 plus s into, what is this function can be written as Laplace transformation of L of f of t. L of f of t. Okay, e to the power of 0 can be written as minus 1. Anything to the power of 0 the value is 1 minus f of 0 plus s into Laplace transformation of f of t. Okay. What is the formula for Laplace transformation of first derivative? Formula is s into L of f of t minus f of 0. We have to remember this is these formulas. Okay, next we have to find out the Laplace transformation of double derivative. Okay, double derivative means, what is the Laplace transformation of f double dash of t? How can we find out the Laplace transformation of, say, for single derivative we use the formula, same formula, but we have to replace double derivative in the place of single derivative. Integral 0 to infinity e to the power of minus st f double dash of t dt. It is also in the form of two derivatives are consisting the t variable, so we have to derivate multiplying the two variables. We have to use the formula u into v. Okay, now e to the power of minus st integral 0 to infinity f double dash of t dt minus integral 0 to infinity. First term we have to derivate minus s e to the power of minus st. Second term we have to integrate. What we will get? Integration 0 to infinity f double dash of t dt. Okay, e to the power of minus st. What is the derivative? What we will get here? F dash of t limits 0 to infinity minus minus of minus plus s into integral 0 to infinity e to the power of minus st integration of double derivative. Integration and derivative get cancelled. Another derivative will be as it is f dash of t dt. Okay. Here we have to substitute the limit, upper limit e to the power of infinity, the value is 0 minus lower limit e to the power of 0 means value is 1, f dash of 0 plus s into, what is the function here? What is the function here? Now this is same as integral 0 to infinity e to the power of minus st f of t dt. Same. What we have to replace? Laplace transformation of f dash of t we have to replace in the form f dash of t. Laplace transformation of f of Laplace transformation of f dash of t can be replaced as this within the brackets. What is the formula? What is the formula? Minus f dash of 0, f dash of 0, what we have to replace? Plus s into, in the place of Laplace transformation of f of t we have to replace this formula, s into Laplace transformation of f of t minus f of 0. We have to replace like this, f dash of 0 plus s square Laplace transformation of f of t minus s into f of 0. Okay. Likewise, we have to substitute these formulas in the given problems. Okay. Now